My name's Jordan Parada and my small business is Kilo. We're a zero waste shop based in North London. We sell pantry goods, cleaning products, oils and vinegars, all loosened by weight so you can buy exactly what you need and reduce packaging waste.
Hi, I'm Josh and I'm one of the co-founders of The Syrup Room. Me and my business partner Jamie started The Syrup Room a few years ago now out of the scrapyard. So we used to salvage metal, old lights, lamps, polish them up and sell them into the antiques trade.
So as a small business, there's always highs and lows and it takes a lot of hard work to be successful. And sometimes it feels like you can't get anything right and then all of a sudden things just fall into place and you find a formula that works for you.
There's definitely been struggles in business and some of the main ones have been unquantifiable bills, admin fees and all the things that kind of creative people find hard.
The past few years have been particularly challenging, but there's a few things that we've done to overcome those challenges and succeed. It's important to us to be smart with energy. Obviously, as a business, the more money you can save, the better. So having things like LED lights keep our energy bills lower than having standard light fixtures. Also, from a sustainability perspective, our shop runs on renewable resources.
We have to be smart with our energy saving. We run a totally electric fleet of cars and vans, so we are really, really particular about how much energy we have to use. One of the ways we do this is with our smart meter. It enables us to keep a visual eye on what's actually going out energy-wise and prompts us to turn things off, use lower energy and only keep the heating on when we need it.
To help us continue to grow in the future, we've applied for a smart meter. We're hoping that that just helps us only pay for exactly the amount of energy that we're using, so saving us money, helping us understand exactly how much energy we're using and see if we can reduce it anywhere.
Our future holds some really exciting projects, bigger projects, crazier projects, international projects, just a lot of fun hopefully.
Hopefully next for Kilo, we'd love to have more shops. We are constantly listening to our customers, so we're always expanding our product range.
If I was to advise anyone starting a new business, I would say definitely keep your outgoings low. That's been one of the main issues. When the work doesn't come in, you do have times where the bills still go out.
Be patient and trust that it's going to happen in its own time. It will work out.